maybe are fighting me, but the truth of the matter is that's an MCA elected by the people to ensure that he is at the front line of the first line of the oversight. So it's as if they've decided not to do their work, to start now defending the governor, instead of knowing, even when we say the own source of revenue have fallen, it is going to affect the ward for the award fund. So my office has taken note of the fact that the Nakuru County government defiance of court orders has caught the attention of the chairperson of the Judicial Service Commission, Chief Justice Martha Koome. I'm hoping that the Chief Justice will remain firm on the implementation of all court orders defied so far and take the necessary actions for the enforcement of the same so as to offer justice and the rule of law to prevail over goonism and misuse of state agencies to frustrate justice. In the statement issued by JSC, they are particularly disturbed by the events in Nakuru County where assailants have occupied the Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, defying 6 court orders and intimidation of judicial officers, making them recuse from hearing cases pertaining Nakuru County government. I'm categorically concerned by the happenings and the Nakuru governor's offices where hired goons, paid and facilitated by the governor and a few members of parliament of Nakuru who have taken over Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, attacked advocates who are peacefully demonstrating against the disregard of court orders on Thursday, 15 February 2024. I noted utter dismay that the police, as the law enforcers stood and watched as the hired hooligans disrupt, attack and injured advocates who are peacefully demonstrating. I note that the advocates, through their leadership, had issued notices to the concerned security forces on the said demonstrations. The court does not and ought not to be seen to make orders in vain. Otherwise, the court will be exposed to ridicule and no agency of the constitutional order would then be left in place to serve as a guarantee for legality and for the rights of all people. Defiance is not an option. Court orders are not mere suggestions or options or mere points of view. To see it in any other way is to open doors to chaos and anarchy. I'm also concerned by the continuous attack by the governor to my office, belittling my work of oversight and the purported appointment of Nakuru East MP or Parliament as my replacement. This is a ridicule and lack of respect to the people of Nakuru County who overwhelmingly voted us to our respective offices. I want to remind the governor that the office of a senator for Nakuru County is a constitutional one. I think as I said from the beginning, the first press conference, I said very clearly that there's nobody who is above the law, and the Nakuru County people elected us to serve them and to obey the rule of law. So anybody defying the rule of law, the constitution is very clear that if he's a governor, he's supposed to be impeached. I think the first time I said that, and I said the people who are supposed to do their work is the MCAs. I think you've seen them going all around protecting the governor and trying to defame my office, that I'm not doing I don't know what I'm doing. But I said it there that if they are unable there is this Article 1 that belongs to the people. So I think that's the next move now the people will end up to. Because I don't believe that people can elect us and now become like we above the law. What is the right of the people? So meaning, if you cannot offer that, you are given court orders you are defying, then the people have now the right to take back the power that they bestowed into you, which will be the bad, because we think they elected all of us, wanting us to work for them. It's very, very bad. And I think if you look, we are the top. We are topping. I mean, we are the top list before this county government was put into the office. But today we are below number 5. So, and you know the Nakuru County serves, our health sector was serving the neighboring counties. So that means if we fail the health sector of Nakuru, we are also affecting the neighboring counties. So what does that tell? We are failing our people. And it is wrong to fail the people that put us in that office. If you look at the War Memorial Hospital we are talking about, it was the only hospital we had in this Nakuru County that we could refer it as our Nairobi hospital or the Aga Khan of our Nakuru. I only see governor now in the political rallies belittling my office, and I was shocked to see her even giving out my office. I think she appointed a senator, and I was surprised that the senator that was appointed, who is now Mheshimiwa of Nakuru East area, has not even served his term of being the member of parliament of the Nakuru East. So you'd wonder how he will serve the two of my senatorial position and of the whatever. Is like, no, you see here, there's no fight between Senator Tabitha and Susan and Her Excellency Susan Kihika. There's no fight. All what we are saying, it is what people are looking for. What are people saying? They want their office, their hospital or memorial office opened. So if you open, there is no issue of Tabitha and Susan there. But for me, I'll continue pushing and fighting for the right of our people. So there is no fight, and I don't think even if whoever comes and try to, that we smile with Susan, walking, smiling, we do not solve the problem of the people of Nakuru. The people of Nakuru, the problem is, can their health sector be back to normal? Can the county government obey the court orders? After that, there's nothing else. And then we close now because I come from Naivasha. So those are the people that will be shown to see, will be told to fight me, so that it will be seen that the people of Naivasha maybe are fighting me. But the truth of the matter is that's an MCA elected by the people to ensure that he is at the front line of, the first line of the oversight. So it's as if they've decided not to do their work, to start now defending the governor, instead of knowing, even when we say the own source of revenue have fallen, it is going to affect the ward for their ward fund. So they should be the first ones who are now talking about it more than even the senator, because I think they are forgetting that whichever money we bring in here, it is for the development of our people. The more it is literal, the more it will affect our people.
Namba yangu ni 0794 93 1650. Ni 0794 93 1650.